Hello and welcome back guys. So today I'm going to show you how to import data in Excel from different sources. Okay, so what you can basically do is that, so select the website, so the data that I want to get from. So let's say this is my website, right? Let's say investing.com, right? Investing.com. Copy it. I want this particular table, right? Indices table. So what I'll do is copy it and then go to your data tab and then get data from web. Okay, so you could go over here and then you could find something from here, from file, no, from web, online services, other sources. Here you can find web, or there they have a shortcut over here as well. Put in your URL, click OK, and then a navigator will open. This should basically show us the different tables. So what we want is world indices. You can have a look over here as well in the web preview as well. Okay, it shows the full website, but the data that we want is world indices, right? And this is our data, right? So we can transform it as well. How? You could do it from Yahoo Finance, anywhere. Okay, so in this particular thingy, we don't need this particular column. We don't need this particular column as well. Don't need this particular column as well. Remove column, and then we just need this particular, the change percentage, and then the current index. Okay, so close, and then what I'll do is close and load to, because I don't want it to load in a new worksheet. I want it to load in this existing worksheet. Okay, so as a table I want it to load it. See, the data has been loaded, right? So similarly I'll show you another one as well. Okay, so again from web, using the shortcut investing.com. So what table do I want this time? I might want top cryptocurrencies, right? So I would do, so see, if I do load, it'll load in a new seed automatically. Okay, so see, this existing seed, I wanted it somewhere around over here, but it loaded it in a completely new different seed, right? So I could copy and paste it as well, but I want to do it differently. Again, same thing. Let's download another kind of data. Okay, so let's download leading stocks. So I'll do load and then load to, this is very important, and then to existing worksheet on cell number A9. Okay, so I'll do okay. It's saying getting data, so that's over here as well. So after you retrieve your data, see, I forgot to edit this particular data. Okay, so what I could do is go to query tools, go to edit, remove this particular column, remove it. Now it looks better, right? So all you need to do is close and load. It will automatically make the changes. Okay, it's loading. So see, now it looks better, right? So similarly you can track all of your stocks as well. Okay, so any other thing that you can use over here is that you could use TSLA, and then go to data tab, and then just select stocks. Wherever you have put the ticker symbol, it will just say stocks, and then it will show you the stocks as well. Okay, just give me a second. So Tesla, right? I'll just do select. After that, all I can do is add, and then you can get your open price, and then you can get your low for the day, you can get your high for the day. All these things information can be found out. Okay, so I'm just showing you how to get different kind of data or real-time data from uh, different sources to your Excel. Okay, so you use data tab and then from web, and then you can basically get your data, play around with the table, merge it together, does not really matter. Okay, you can transform it as well. So otherwise you could use this kind of different function as well, different trick as well. Okay, so yeah, that's it for today. I'll see you in the next one. Until that time, have a good one. Bye bye.